A typical day during this pandemic has been, first of all, sanitizing the bathrooms at least twice a day, 7 days a week, sometimes 3 times a day. We've had to, keep all the garbage picked up and keep the parks clean. That's a typical day. The only thing we're not doing now is actually lining off fields for athletics. Everything else is the same. We still mow grass, we mulch and prune all the county buildings, we maintain the parks, sanitize the bathrooms. Our job has not stopped. And it keeps our guys, our staff motivated that they're doing something good for the public.